this video, I will show you how to create school climate survey. First, you need to click extension, Cliffy form, and then look form template like this. And then after that, you can search here school climate survey like this. You can just type it. After you found it, just click load selected template, and then you will get some tabs: dashboard, responses, question, and settings. After that, you can refresh the page and click Cliffy form and then get link like this, and then just follow the step, click continue, and then choose your account, click advance, and then go to Cliffy form and then click allow here. Just wait for it. You will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine like this, and you will see the form is not ready to use, but you can also custom the question, the title, or anything in the form, or even the appearance. For example, here I go to question tab and want to insert new row. I use text here and change it into name of student like this, for example, and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change the question type into email, so it will show the email type, use at blah blah blah.com or else like this, so it will show like this the form. Or maybe you can change it into date like this, and don't forget to change the question, for example date of survey like this, so it will change like this, so the audience can pick their date easily from the calendar. Or maybe I want to give an example, for example text area for address like this, for example address of school or else, or you can custom your own question. This is just for example. It's very easy to edit or to add, to delete, or maybe you can delete row. This is the way. It's very easy and it will disappear instantly. And now go to settings tab. For example, here I want to change the background color of my form like this. You can pick any color that you want. It's very easy to use. And now go to button text color, choose any color, and scroll down to check it in the submit button like this. It will change instantly. Also, I want to give an example to put the logo ID link in the logo ID here. Just refresh the form and it will update it instantly. You can use your own link like this. And for example, I want to change the text color. It's also changeable like this. It's very easy to change. You can pick any color that you want. And then for the next example, I want to give a new word, like in the processing word like this, so it will add the new word. Also back to Google Spreadsheet to edit the HTML. For example, here go to htmlonline.com like this. You can use it instantly. Just type any text that you want, like for example here I type my title like school climate survey like this, and then I put it in the middle align and use bold italic, and you just need to copy the HTML code and then paste it into the box like this. I use it all, and then you can check the update in the form like this, and it will change instantly. So you can go to responses tab to check the response of your audience answer like this. You can try it by yourself to fill the answer of your form like this. You can just fill anything that you want, just click submit, and then it will show the response like thank you like this. Go to Google Spreadsheet to check it, the response, and it will show like this in the Google Spreadsheet. Thank you. And the link to add-on is in the description below. You can try it now.